Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're diving into how to unsync Google Photos on iPhone in 2025. If you're dealing with storage issues, privacy concerns, or just want to take control of your photo backups, this quick guide is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll have everything unsynced in no time. Let's get started. First things first. Why would you want to unsync Google Photos? In 2025, with iPhones packing even more advanced features, syncing can eat up your storage or share data you didn't intend to. It's super easy to reverse, so don't worry. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Settings app. That's the gear icon on your home screen. Tap it to begin. Next, scroll down and look for your list of apps. In 2025, Apple has made it even more intuitive. So find Google Photos in the Apps section or search for it using the search bar at the top. Once you tap on Google Photos, you'll see various options related to the app's permissions and integrations. Now, head to the Backup and Sync section. This is where the magic happens. Toggle the switch to turn off Backup and Sync. You might see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure. Go ahead and confirm it. This will stop any new photos from uploading to Google Photos automatically. If you've got iCloud or other services intertwined, double-check under Settings greater than your name, greater than iCloud, and ensure Google Photos isn't linked there. Sometimes, cross-app integrations can sneak in, especially with the latest iOS updates in 2025. Once that's done, your Google Photos should be fully unsynced. To verify, open the Google Photos app and check if the backup status shows as paused or off. That's it. You've reclaimed your space and privacy. Remember, if you ever want to resync, just follow these steps in reverse. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and hit the bell icon. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.